Hello, what's up guys, welcome to the new video. In this video we will learn that how to divide a decimal by a decimal. For suppose here we have a question 5.64 divided by 0.4. So we will place 0.4 outside and 5.64 inside. So first of all we have to make 0.4 a whole number. So how we can make it a whole number? For suppose if we multiply 0.4 by 10, then it will be 4, and whatever we multiply outside the same we are going to multiply inside. So if we multiply 5.64 multiplied by 10, that will be 56.4. so here we will place 4 and here 56.4. so 4 multiplied by 14, that will be 56. So 56 minus 56, that will be 0. We multiply 4 by 1, that will be 4. So we will place the dot over here, decimal over here, because we are doing the multiplication after the decimal. So that's why we will place the decimal over here. So 14.1, in that sense, that will be the answer of that. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.